If you're tackling hard-to-reach branches, having the right tool makes all the difference. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best electric pole saw options to help you trim safely, efficiently, and without the hassle of climbing a ladder. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Skil Brushless 40V. The Skil Brushless 40V cordless toolkit stands out as a remarkably versatile and efficient option for homeowners seeking a hassle-free tree trimming experience. This well-rounded kit includes a 10-inch pole saw, a PWR Core 40 2.5 Ah lithium battery, and an auto PWR jump charger, offering everything you need to get started right out of the box. The Skil Brushless 40V is celebrated as the lightest in its class compared to other 40V competitive brands, making it ideal for those who prioritize maneuverability and ease of handling during extended use. Powering this tool is a digital brushless motor that delivers efficient, high-performance power without the maintenance demands of gas-powered saws, eliminating the need for messy fuel and difficult pull start mechanisms. The standout feature of this pole saw is its industry-leading PWR Core 40 lithium-ion battery technology, which wraps each cell with cooling material, resulting in 25% longer runtime and double the battery life. This ensures you can tackle more tasks on a single charge, enhancing productivity and convenience. Additionally, the toolless chain tensioning system, controlled via a convenient dial on the side of the tool, allows for quick, hassle-free adjustments, ensuring optimal chain performance during operation. Users will appreciate the ease of setup and operation, and the cordless design means no worrying about tangled cords or finding a nearby outlet. The automatic lubrication system keeps the chain running smoothly, while the lightweight build reduces strain on your arms and shoulders during prolonged sessions. Number 2. Worx WG323 20V. The Worx WG323 20V cordless pole saw is an excellent choice for homeowners seeking a reliable, lightweight, and easy-to-use tool for tree trimming and pruning tasks. Designed with user convenience in mind, this versatile saw can reach up to 12 feet with its extendable pole and weighs only 10 pounds, making it easy to manage without causing excessive strain. The standout feature of the Worx WG323 is its cordless 20V PowerShare system, which delivers cutting performance on par with many gas-powered models without the mess, noise, or maintenance. This tool is compatible with over 75 other Worx tools within the PowerShare family, allowing you to swap batteries seamlessly between different devices, which adds tremendous value for those already invested in the Worx ecosystem. Its fast, clean cutting capability ensures branches and limbs are easily managed before they pose a problem. The automatic, tool-free chain tension system guarantees the chain maintains the correct tension without requiring manual adjustments, while the automatic chain lubrication system promotes smoother, more efficient cuts and extends the tool's life. A helpful oil level indicator lets users monitor lubrication levels at a glance. Compact and well-balanced, the WG323's design allows for longer work sessions with minimal fatigue. While it requires bar and chain oil sold separately, the refueling process is straightforward. Assembly is simple, and the pole attachment can be added or removed in minutes without tools. This makes it highly adaptable for various jobs around the yard. Whether trimming overgrown branches or maintaining the health of your trees, the Worx WG323 20V offers an appealing combination of power, portability, and user-friendly features, making it a practical addition to any homeowner's collection of outdoor tools. Number 3. Scott's Outdoor Saw. The Scott's Outdoor Power Tools PS45010S pole saw is a dependable torted option for those preferring consistent power without dealing with battery charges or fuel refills. Equipped with a powerful 8-amp electric motor, this pole saw can handle medium-duty tree trimming tasks around your yard with ease. Its fully extended pole reaches up to 9 feet 5 inches, providing ample height to tackle higher branches while keeping your feet safely on the ground. The 10-inch bar and chain cut efficiently through tree limbs, and the cutting head features a 30-degree adjustable angle with 3 positions, allowing for customized cuts in hard-to-reach spots. A convenient blade cover is included for safe storage and transport when not in use. One of the key highlights of the Scott's PS45010 is its automatic oiling system, which continuously lubricates the chain for smooth, efficient operation and an oil level window so you can easily monitor when it's time for a refill. Additionally, a tool-free tensioner allows for quick chain adjustments, keeping downtime to a minimum and ensuring peak performance. This corded pole saw requires no gas, making it an eco-friendly alternative to traditional gas-powered models while eliminating the hassle of fuel mixing and engine maintenance. The pole itself is designed with user comfort in mind, featuring a rubber over-molded handle and foam grip, providing a secure and comfortable hold during operation. While limited by the need for a power outlet and extension cord, it's an excellent option for those with a manageable yard size where cord length won't be an issue.
Number 4. Black Decker 20V Max. The Black Decker 20V Max pole saw is a practical, cordless solution for homeowners who need an effective tool for light to medium tree pruning tasks. This pole saw is part of Black Decker's popular 20V Max lithium-ion battery system, which allows users to swap batteries with other compatible tools, adding convenience and versatility. Designed for reach and efficiency, the saw's extension pole adjusts to provide a usable length of either 6.5 or 10 feet, delivering an overhead reach of up to 14 feet, making it suitable for tackling higher branches safely from the ground. Equipped with an 8-inch cutting bar and chain, it can handle branches up to 6 inches in diameter, which covers most common pruning needs around a typical yard. The saw's battery-powered operation means no messy gas mixtures, pull cords, or engine maintenance. It offers up to 100 cuts of 1.5-inch pine branches per charge, which should be ample for most yard cleanups. Weighing in as a compact and manageable tool.
Number 5. Jovant Pole Saw. The Jovant Pole Saw presents itself as a highly versatile 2-in-1 gardening tool that caters to a wide range of cutting and pruning needs. It combines an electric chainsaw with a telescopic pole, offering the flexibility to tackle both ground-level and overhead tasks with ease. This thoughtful design means you can efficiently cut low-lying branches or switch to trimming hard-to-reach areas without the need for a ladder. The pole extends from 5.3 feet to 9.3 feet, providing an impressive 15-foot overhead reach when accounting for the height of an average user. Powered by a high-performance brushless motor, the Jovant chainsaw boasts an ultra-fast chain speed of 29.8 feet per second, allowing it to slice through 6-inch diameter logs in roughly 5 seconds. A notable highlight is its pair of large-capacity 20V 4.0H batteries, each delivering 8 to 10 hours of continuous operation on a full charge, reducing the worry of power depletion during lengthy outdoor tasks. The electric chainsaw features an upgraded external refueling device, enabling easy chain lubrication to maintain smooth cutting performance.